Yo, Chad, have you seen that JR player? Spotify has some, I don't know, some type of a music. I don't know, is it a legacy or what? I don't know. I went to JR players Spotify and I'm there looking. And then there is this, I don't know what type of shit is this. I'm looking at it here. It's like, is it a legacy or is this someone from his family that gave him? But I don't know because of those songs are like it's songs that maybe was released in 19 maybe way back, let's say 1989, 1990, but they're on his Spotify. I feel like does he come from a family where they are in the music? Maybe I don't know. His father, someone on his family, from his family. Wow. But JL Player is that type of artist that many artists here in Venda don't talk to. Because of, let's check out his monthly listeners. He's sitting at 31.8 monthly listeners. That means many of you, yeah, you work rappers, cannot be competing with JL Player. You know what I'm saying? Many. He's one of them guys. He's one of them guys. He released because he's giving us music that we want as fans. We go and stream his music. It doesn't matter. You understand what I'm saying? Let's look at Murray. He's sitting how much? 210. 210. 211. 8. Oh, 200, 200, 211, 184. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. Then they're going sitting at 189, 564 streams. But it's cool, you know what I'm saying? For someone who is coming up, I don't know where he was born. I think he was born in 2000. But I feel like, yeah, he's pushing, you know what I'm saying? CP, this is sitting on 14K. It's cool, you know what I'm saying? After this year, it can be somewhere, you know what I'm saying? So keep pushing. You know what I'm saying? Che, you know what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to make Jerry Player at the end of this year. He should be sitting on how much? 100K monthly listeners. It's fair enough. Let's do it, chat. Shout out to Lucian Affiliate. I'm out. Boom.